order and degree of the differential equation. See, first how to find the order of the differential equation. We know that if y is equal to f of x be a function, dy by dx is called the first order derivative. D square y by dx square is called the second order derivative. D cube y by dx cube is called the third order derivative, and so on. Or y dash anta helidru same, y dash is the first order, y double dash is the second order, y triple dash is the third order, and so on. Similarly, y1 is the first order derivative, y2 is the second order derivative, y3 is the third order derivative. Idella notations. See, order of a differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. Order of a differential equation is the highest order derivative occurring in that differential equation. See, here dy by dx unto first order derivative. Next, power nodlikkilla, d square y by dx square. The highest order derivative is d square y by dx square, second order derivative. Therefore, the order is 2. Here see, dy by dx term illa, d square y by dx square, second order derivative. Therefore, order of this differential equation is 2. Here y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. Highest order derivative is y triple dash, right? Order is 3. Order is 3. See here, y dash, don't see the power. Y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. Highest order derivative is third order derivative, y triple dash. Therefore, order is 3. Here y dash illi untu, y double dash illa, y triple dash. Highest order derivative is third order derivative. Order is 3. Order is 3. See, here y triple dash, fourth order derivative. Fourth order derivative. Therefore, order is highest order is a fourth order derivative. Therefore, order of the given differential equation is 4. See here, d square y by dx square. Next illi ondu untu, y triple dash untu, correct? D cube y by dx cube means y triple dash. Highest order derivative is third order derivative. Therefore, the order of the given differential equation is 3. Here y dash dy by dx, highest order derivative is the first order derivative. Therefore, the order of this differential equation is 1. See, here dy by dx unto again d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square. The highest order derivative is second order derivative. Order of the given differential equation is 2. Order is 2. Here y dash, y double dash. Highest order derivative is second order derivative here. Therefore, the order of the given differential equation is 2. This is order concept. Next, how to find the degree of the differential equation. Degree of the differential equation. To find the degree, first we have to find the order of the given differential equation. Order na find out ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು first ಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, degree of a differential equation is the positive integral power of the highest order derivative occurring in that differential equation. Degree of the differential equation is the the positive integral power of the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. One more condition is there, that is the given differential equation must be a polynomial equation in derivatives. It is a polynomial equation in derivatives ಆಗಬೇಕು. For example, see, we know that quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. I take f of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. The degree of this equation is the highest positive integral power of x. x square. Degree of this equation is 2, right? Degree is 2. ನಾನು ಇದು ಬರೀತೀನಿ x square plus 2x plus 3. The degree is 2. X square x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 1 equal to 0. Highest positive integral power of x is 4. Therefore, the degree is 4. The x square plus sin x. F of x is equal to x square plus sin x. X to the power x square. The degree is 2 very little. Here there is it is not a polynomial function. It is a polynomial addition of polynomial and trigonometric function. Therefore, here degree is not defined. Degree of this equation is not defined. The x plus cos x. X to the power 1, but here cos x term untu, correct? It is not a polynomial function. Therefore, degree is not defined. X plus log x ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ log x sin x cos x tan x ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ in polynomial function ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ degree is not defined. In differential equation, the degree of the differential equation is the positive integral power of the highest order derivative occurring in that differential equation. The condition is the given differential equation is a polynomial equation in derivatives. One ವೇಳೆ the equation contains sin y dash cos y double dash e to the power y dash log of y double dash ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದರೆ degree is not defined. Sin of the derivative, cos of the derivative, sin x, sin of the, it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Sin of the derivative, cos of the derivative, e to the power derivative, log of the derivative ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ sin inverse of the derivative or trigonometric of the derivative ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ degree of the given differential equation is not defined. But suppose ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ sin x, sin y, cos x, e to the power y, log x. Here there is a sin x term, sin y term, cos x term, e to the power y term, log x term. Here sin of the derivative ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Cos of the derivative ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? e to the power derivative ಇಲ್ಲ, log of the derivative ಇಲ್ಲ. In this case, degree is defined. Degree is defined. Sin of the derivative, cos of the derivative, e to the power derivative, log of the derivative ಈ ರೀತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ degree is not defined. In all other case, the degree is defined, and its degree is the power of the positive integral power of the highest order derivative occurring in that differential equation. See, in the first equation, what is the degree? See, order is 2. First see this equation. There is no sin term, cos term, tan term. ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ, e to the power term ಇಲ್ಲ, log term. See, order is 2. Order 2 means d square y by dx square. The power of d square y by dx square is the power of the highest order derivative is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. In the second equation, see, here there is a cos term, sin term. Sin of the derivative unta? Here sin 3x. There is no sin of the derivative term. Cos of the derivative. Cos of the derivative or sin of the derivative, idre degree is not defined. Here just cos 3x, sin 3x. Degree is defined. Degree sin of the derivative, cos of the derivative alla idre matra degree is not defined. In all other cases, degree is defined. Here degree is defined. Order is to 2 alva. Idu 2. Idrದು power is to 1. Therefore, degree of the given differential equation is 1. See, here there is no sin, cos, e to the power log term. Therefore, here the order is 3. Order is 3, right? Y triple dash. The power of the positive integral power of the highest order derivative is 1. Therefore, degree is equals to, degree of this differential equation is 1. See, here there is no sin, cos, tan, e to the power x log x. Degree is defined. Highest order derivative is order is 3. Y triple dash is the highest order derivative. The power of the highest order derivative, positive integral power ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Power of the highest order derivative, y triple dash ಇದು power 2, correct? Therefore, degree is 2. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ 2. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಂ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ there is an e to the power term, e to the power y dash untu, correct? E to the power derivative term untu, e to the power y dash. Here there is a e to the power derivative term, therefore in this case e to the power derivative term, therefore in this case degree is not defined, degree is not defined. See, in this problem here there is a sine term, sine of the derivative term is there, sine of the derivative, therefore degree is not defined. Here in the question number 7, here there is a cos term, cos of the derivative is there, cos of the derivative term, therefore degree is not defined. See, here there is an e to the power term, e to the power x. Here there is no e to the power derivative, e to the power x, right? E to the power x, e to the power derivative with the degree is not defined. Here e to the power x, degree is defined. The highest order is 1, correct? Order is 1. The power of the highest order derivative is also 1. Therefore degree is, the degree of this differential equation is, degree is 1. See, here there is a sine term, sine of the derivative term is there, therefore the degree of this differential equation, sine of the derivative term is there, therefore degree is not defined. In the last problem, see, next question. Here there is a sine term, sine y is there is no sine of the derivative term. If sine of the derivative term is there, then the degree is not defined. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sine of the derivative ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, sine y ಉಂಟು, therefore degree is defined. Degree is defined and its degree is, the degree of the given differential equation is order is 2, correct? 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು, y double dash, ಅದರದ್ದು ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, 1, therefore degree is equal to 1. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಕೆಲವರು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ degree of the given differential equation.